Among the following is considered as the guardian of the public purse of India? A. Minister of Finance. B. Governor of Reserve Bank of India. C. Comptroller and Auditor General of India. D. None of the above. Answer: C. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is an authority established by the Constitution of India under Article 148, who audits all receipts and expenditure of the Government of India and state governments, including those of bodies and authorities substantially financed by the government. The current CAG of India is Shashi Kant Sharma, who was appointed on 23rd May 2013. He is the 12th CAG of India. The current, the incumbent Comptroller and Auditor General of India is GC Murmu, who was appointed on 8th August 2020.